Mauriro kia tātou, ko te tira whakamātaki tēnei, e mihi kaua tūna kia koutou o tira e tautoko nei te wiki nei, ara te wiki o te reo Māori. Kia ora everyone, I'm not sure if you can see, there are some tui up above me. And so, to celebrate te wiki o te reo Māori, I thought I'd quickly mention how some of our Māori bird names came about. When our tupuna first arrived here, some of the birds reminded them of the birds that were in Hawaii, back in the Polynesian islands. In most cases though, the birds were named after the sounds they made. So the tui got its name from the sharp shrill it makes, the tui, tui. That's a terrible impression of a tui, by the way. But we see it in better examples like the ruru, or mōpō in English. So when our tupuna heard the calls that they would make, they would give them those names. Before I go, I just quickly want to mention as well that a lot of our Māori bird names have more than one name. The tui, for instance, has up to 14 different names. So the challenge is, can you learn them all for te wiki o te reo Māori? Tēnā tātou.